Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got one of our favorite box company. What are we doing? We are doing May bronze box. And it's small, but it's really heavy. There's gonna be some good stuff in here. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so let's get cracked into this one. Not sure if you saw the gold box that we did for May, but that one was really good, and I'm expecting good things for this one. Ready? Alright. Of course we have our stuff in the way. Monthly newsletter, color coding for pricing, talks about their Christmas box or the Christmas in July box that sold out in a matter of minutes, so don't bother trying to get that, it's already gone. But if you're interested what was in there, I'll be getting one of those. And then down here talks about how you can earn a little money with their referral program, and there's always good stuff. On top of that, you should really, if you're interested in one of these boxes, you should join their group on Facebook. It's I'll put it in the link in the description down below. It's ironically called Magic at Your Door on Facebook, and it is like a ton of people that are into all this same stuff. Everybody shows their boxes, what they want, but the other cool thing that you get when you're in there is sometimes they put out some new release stuff. You know, they'll put out pictures of things that they just got shipments of. And also, if you really want to get the perfect box. So, Magic at Your Door's preferences are really detailed, very good, and they track this stuff like nobody's business. I don't know how they do it, but you never get a duplicate of, you know, at least what comes from them. They don't necessarily know. You can put in your preferences. I don't want, like if you collect ears, you can put in there, I don't want this one, this one, this one, because I already have them. They're so good at that stuff. But on top of that, you can find things you didn't even know you wanted. And you can do that by looking at their wish list. I will put up their May wish list, which is going on right now, so you can have a look at it. It's page after page of tons of different Disney products, and you can heart them. And they can't guarantee they'll give it to you, but if they're packing your box, and they go through the wish list, and they still have some of those, it'll go right in your box. So you can actually really hone in to get something you really want. And we're never disappointed with these boxes. It's amazing. So, that being said, let's take a look. The last box had a lot of confetti. This is a smaller box with less confetti. We have got We have got a very full bronze pouch. Don't let me forget to open this, because I always forget to do those. Not that it's like my favorite thing, and that's why I save it till last. But I set it up there and I forget about it. Okay. All right. So, first things first, a very cute Grumpy mug. Grumpy is one of Mary's favorite characters, and that is because she is simply happy all the time, and she likes her mugs to be the opposite of what she is. Very cute. I'll put a better picture on the turntable, boop, so you can take a look at it. Very nice. This is $14.95. That's some really cute artwork on that. All right. There's a red box in here. We are going to hold off on that as well. This is what was heavy. Oh, oh, oh boy. Mary is going to be very happy. This, well here, let me get them unwrapped. Mary had selected this on the wish list. So, these are Villains notebooks. There are 3 of them. That's really cool. And the inside reflects a little bit. You can see the little picture in the corner. And what is this one going to be? I don't know if you can... Just a touch of evil. That is very cool, and Mary is behind the camera freaking out. I will put better pictures in the photo box. Boop, boop, boop. So you can take a look at those. Okay. Jim Shore pouch. Jim Shore pouch. Pouch. Gotta do Jim Shore last. It is a pin set that's really jammed in here. That took a little work to get it in there. 6 pins. Look at those. That is a cool little set. You can see that, so it's skull and crossbones, but like you've got Mickey, you've got Donald. That's really cool. I'll take these, take this plastic off and take a better picture in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. So remember, this is only a $75 box, including shipping. And there's a Jim Shore in it. Aw. So funny that I just mentioned this. This is super cute. And it was super cute when we got it the first time. But I did not get it from Magic at Your Door. I got it from Bibbidi Bobbidi. And to be totally fair, I should have went on my preferences and marked off that I had it, and that's me being lazy. But this is super cute, and now she can take one to work and have one on the display behind me. And so I am not mad at all, and she is agreeing with me fully behind the camera. That is... To be able to get a Jim Shore in a $75 box. So, well, let's see what we ended up with here. So the total... well, let me first do a little... So again, $74.99. Total value right here. You can see, I mean, we always love everything in here, and unfortunately, that was my mistake, so that's not on them. If you would like your own Magic at Your Door box, you can get $10 off your first box by using our promo code DD10 right there. If you look down in our description, there is a link to their website, and you can go check that out. Also, remember, I put that link down there for their Facebook group. Very good group of people. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it is right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, I would really appreciate it. The button's right here. Hope you are having a great day.